So hello everyone and welcome to DC East Universe, your one-stop shop for all news related to DC. And after the DC fandom, this is the breakdown video. We got the first panel of Wonder Woman 1984 and we got the trailer, the second trailer of the movie, and that was brilliant trailer. Pretty much thrilled with the trailer. And the suspense in the film looks awesome, and the action scene, especially between Wonder Woman and Cheetah. Yeah, we got the final look of Cheetah and also the first look of Cheetah and the action scene between Cheetah and Wonder Woman. As you can see on the screen that this is the look of Christina Wiig character, the Cheetah she is playing. And up next is one and only Gotham Knights, the game from WB Montreal, and we can see that it is a continuation of Arkham Knight game or the Arkham series, because we know that Batman is dead at the end of that game, and this game starts from that same position. The Batman died, and now Red Hood, Batgirl, Nightwing, and Robin took up his mantle, and they are going to fight against all the criminals in the city of Gotham to save the day. Obviously, you can see these are the character reveals, and the graphics of this game looks fantastic. The coloring, the graphics, the crystal clear scenes, these are the few of the epic things highlight of this game. And Red Hood, this character is my favorite character because he is the baddest version of Robin, and Nightwing also is very great character, and you can play this game as a solo game or also on multiplayer. So everyone wait for the Gotham Knight, and there will be different kinds of villain like Mr. Freeze and also the Court of Owls along with the Talons. So get hyped, and this game is coming at us on 2021. So next up is the panel of Suicide Squad. Obviously James Gunn panel, all the cast has been revealed, everyone who is playing who, it is being revealed, and my favorite one is John Cena because I am a big WWE fan, and John Cena is my favorite superstar from there, and he is playing here a character called Peacemaker. And you can see this is the official poster revealed by James Gunn. This is the poster of the movie Suicide Squad. We can see every character here, the Blackguard, Bloodsport, then Ratcatcher, then Weasel, Peacemaker, King Shark, Harley Quinn, and lots of other characters. And also this is a new suit for Harley Quinn, Margot Robbie. You can see there, she is looking fantastic, and this is the color from Harley Quinn's comic of DC New 52, the red and black. And I think this iteration of Harley Quinn in the James Gunn movie will be perfect. And you can see there, this is the first look of Peacemaker, the character played by John Cena, and you can see his muscles, his looks, the way he is enjoying the scenes, and he has posted all these things in in the video which was being revealed by James Gunn as the sneak peek video of the Suicide Squad movie. And we can see also the squad coming up next, the full picture of the squad, Suicide Squad, because this is a team up movie, and we are really excited. And I think this is a very great and good upgradation from the first movie, and really hoping to see this movie at theaters on 2021, and it will be very much fun to visualize such a spectacle effect on the giant screen. So that's it, and this movie is coming out on August 2021 only at theaters, and it is the second part of the movie Suicide Squad, and this movie is officially named the Suicide Squad. And you can see also these are some of the John Cena leaks, because I am a John Cena maniac, so I'm just showing you these photos from the clip they have revealed, and I really believe that he is playing a great role. And next up is the Dark Side, means the Snyder Cut, Justice League Snyder Cut. This trailer was the best trailer they have revealed yesterday at DC Fandom, and the Dark Side look awesome. He looks most scariest villain ever. Thanos don't stand a chance in front of him, and the team united there. I just love this scene because we have seen all the superheroes now united as a Justice League team. The Black Superman is obviously the standout, the Superman in black suit, and we can tell from this trailer that this will be a new film, completely new film, different film. We will get different types of characters like Disad. You can see there the Disad. He is an apocalypse. He's a apocalyptian people. I think so. It is being called like apocalyptian people, and this is Disad. Disad. His name is Disad, and we can also see this is the Hall of Justice, which is being destroyed by Darkseid himself. And we will also get a look at Stephen Wolf also in this movie. And this movie will be a 4-hour long movie, which will be divided into 4 parts, 1 hour each, and it will be released at the middle of the year of 2021. And now a secret movie is being revealed, that Static Shock will be the movie that will be coming to DC Universe, DC Extended Universe. This movie is this is a character from Milestone Comics, which is the imprint of DC, and they will have a live action movie coming at us, and we will get more about this movie later on the future. That means at 2021. So I'm very excited because this character is very popular for its animated movie. It has won an animated award, an Oscar maybe also, or Grammy, something like that, or Emmy, I don't know. But this is a very popular animation series, and we all expected this to coming to live action because this is the this is a good version of Spider-Man in a DC universe, and I am very excited for this. And now this is the official look of Black Adam. You can see this is the official look of Black Adam, and this is being revealed yesterday on DC Fandom. I really like the the artwork done by the team, the concept art. Dwayne The Rock Johnson, The Rock himself, looks fantastic in this suit, the Black Adam suit. He is the man to look out for, and in this movie we will also get the look at the Justice Society of America. Along with Black Adam, there will be Dr. Fate, Hawkman, Cyclone, and also Adam Smasher. So this is also a team up movie, and this is the movie which will lay new paths for DCU and will introduce more team up characters also in the long continuity. So I'm looking forward to this movie, and we can see these are some of the concept art being revealed by Dwayne The Rock Johnson at DC Fandom panel. And I think it looks awesome, and it will be great to see them coming to live action, and we are eager to watch this movie at December 2021. So pretty hyped up for this movie. And next up is the Teen Titans Season 3 review. We know that Barbara Gordon, the daughter of Jim Gordon, Commissioner Jim Gordon, will come, and Scarecrow, Jonathan Crane, and Red Hood will appear at Season 3 as being revealed by the director himself at DC Fandom. And these are one of the biggest reveals from DC TV side, and we all know this is epic. And next up is the Shazam 2 poster and the name. We can see that this is the official poster of Shazam 2, and it is being named Shazam Fury of the Gods, and that's it. And next up is the Suicide Squad game, another game revealed by Rocksteady, and we can see defined character like Harley Quinn, Boomerang, then King Shark, and Deadshot. And we will also get a look at Bizarro, the evil Superman, and this game will also be a multiplayer game, and the graphics look good, and it will be a fun to play this movie because it's Suicide Squad versus Justice League. And that's all we have now from So until next time, please like, share and subscribe the channel, and DC forever. And one thing, There is a special video coming after this one. Please check it out. DC is